this is Cincinnati. We got something to sell you.
Alright, we're here tonight endorsing a friend of ours' product. Rink Dog 66 asked us to come in here and endorse his saw. What we've got here tonight is a Mac 3516. It's a good running saw. 16-inch bar and chain. The only thing we can find wrong with the saw is the primer's got a little bit of cracking. It doesn't seem to affect performance at all. Starts up, runs good. Good running saw. And you know, the chain could stand a little sharpening, but I think pretty much ready to roll right now. Jake?
So what you selling it for? 20 bucks? 20 bucks starting bid.
Starting bid, $20.
Come on over to Rink Dog 66 and put a bid on this here chainsaw, and it might be in your garage coming up soon.
This saw will be shipped bar and chain detached in the box. All oil and gas will be removed. One tight unit right there.